What if I told you that you could start making money online without spending a single rupee? Sounds unreal, right? But stay with me. This isn't a scam or clickbait. It's real, and you can start today with just your phone or laptop. I know you've probably tried things before that didn't work, but this video is different. I'll show you real ways people are earning online with zero investment. First up, offer your skills. Even if you're not an expert, free tutorials on YouTube can teach you writing, thumbnail design, or video editing. Use Fiverr or Upwork to offer simple services like writing captions or creating logos. People pay for these. Don't want to deal with clients? Start a YouTube or TikTok channel. Share tips, cooking, hacks, anything. Once you get views, you can earn from ads, sponsorships, or affiliate links. Speaking of affiliate marketing, sign up for programs like Amazon or ClickBank, promote products, and earn every time someone buys through your link. No product of your own needed. You can also try microtask sites like Picoworkers or Sprout Gigs. Simple tasks, quick pay, great for beginners. And if you like writing, publish on Medium or Amazon Kindle. One article or ebook can bring passive income for months. So what's stopping you? Time? Fear? Just start. The internet's open to everyone, even beginners like you. Tell me in the comments which method you'll try first. And if this helped, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. Helpful links are in the description. Go check them out. I believe in you. Now go make it happen.